Also for losing weight,
Okay.
and it's also a
So eating chocolate will make person lose weight?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, but if you eat the like if you eat the ones that are like with pure cacao, like the dark ones, not the milk ones, not the white
Okay.
ones.
Hello friends, I'm here in Sweet-chocolaty here and they made me taste their chocolate tea. What is your name, friend?
Paul,
Say hi to my YouTube channel, friends.
hi, I'm Paul, and I encourage you to visit this place. It's a very nice place to have like a cup of tea,
Yeah.
and I'll let you try some like chocolate. I have like some dark chocolate. This one.
What is that one?
This one is different types of chocolates.
Okay.
From 60 to 80% dark chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the sweetest one, and this is the darkest one. Do you want which one you want?
Can I take?
The 60%?
Yeah, maybe. And I
Yeah.
just put my
Yeah, here maybe one side.
here. Yeah.
You can try.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
What is this one? It's
60% dark.
60% dark chocolate. It's good. And it's so sweet.
No. You don't like that sweet?
Maybe I like the dark one.
The 81? 81?
Yeah, not so sweet. It's good, friends.
Yeah, this one is the 81.
Yeah. Do you grow cacao in here in Costco?
Yeah, we have like regions in the jungle. The coast is
You
normally.
have to check in.
Yeah. If you see this, I let you see this one. This is where we grow cacao.
Okay.
All over these places. You see, these are like the brown regions. All of these brown regions are the cacao farming.
Oh.
Also these ones. So you see, cacao growing regions and main growing valleys. Those are the regions in which you're going to find like cacao beans. Yep.
And this is how you make chocolate in here?
Yeah, you have to just like roast these beans. We roast the beans. These are the roasted ones, so you can try them. If you want, you can take one. And this one.
Okay. This one.
This is not roast.
Okay.
This-
Is it okay? Is it safe to eat?
Yeah.
And the not roasted one, is it safe to eat? To try as well?
Yeah. It depends. Yeah. You have like the antibodies.
No, I have problem. Stomach.
No, yeah, but this one, once you roast them, you have to grind them. We grind them here. In this grinder. But of course, we have one with an engine now. It used to show the people and give them an idea how we grind them. We get a paste.
The roasted one?
The roasted ones, yeah. And after getting this paste, this is liquid, right?
Yeah.
Kind of liquid, and then we mix it here. So in this,
Oh.
you can see, this is the mixing machine. The mixing and refining machine. So you have to refine it like for like
How many
3 days.
hours? Oh,
3 days.
3 days.
So at that time you get the
Sure,
smoothness.
takes time.
You get the
I
smoothness.
thought just hours.
Yeah.
But they take this.
And yeah. This is not yet.
How many days?
3 days.
2 days now?
No. Now it's 1 day, just 1 day.
Okay.
So you're going to notice still the sugar grains. But at the end you don't have to feel any grain.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you try more chocolate. I have with flavors now. I have with coca, peanuts, I have raisins, almonds, coffee, coconut, mint, orange, salt, coca, coffee. And I have coffee with 52, which is the sweetest one.
Is it the sweetest? Coffee? Okay.
And then I have orange also, but the
Okay.
52. And then ginger and chili.
Oh yeah. How much does it cost for the coca?
For the coca?
Yeah.
Any of the box?
No, just one.
That one is
Yeah.
17.50 cents. Soles.
17 soles and 50
Cents.
cents. Okay, maybe I'll try to buy that one because I couldn't buy it in nowhere in other places.
Yeah, and the good thing is that we don't use lecithin, we don't use additives, we don't use preservatives.
Okay.
Just cacao and the like sugar and maybe some of the like ingredients we got.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll buy one.
Which one?
The,
The cocoa one? Yeah. Okay.
advantages of eating chocolates.
Hot chocolate is good for your lowering your blood pressure,
Okay.
or improving your brain functions, and also for losing weight.
Okay.
And it's also a
So eating chocolates will make person lose weight?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, but if you eat the like if you eat the ones that are like with pure cacao, like the dark ones, not the milk ones, not the white
Okay.
ones. Like from 70 to 80, 90%, they are good to lose weight.
Okay, so if it is less than 70%, it's not that good.
No, because they have more sugar, and also they have, you're eating like milk chocolate, then they
Okay.
have more milk, lecithin, like maybe they can have other additives that make
Yeah.
you to be
But
fat.
you told me earlier that you don't put lecithin in the chocolates that you're making in here.
Yeah.
So eating 30% or 50% chocolate will be good as well.
Yeah, but the thing is that normally we put some milk,
Okay, what kind of milk are you
the powdered
using?
milk.
Huh?
Powdered milk.
Powdered milk from what?
Milk from
Cow? What
yeah,
kind
cow,
of-
but powdered milk, like the normal regular milk.
Okay.
And yeah, I was telling you about this one. This one is good for like it has a tiny properties of the 5 properties of the chocolate, and
Okay.
then like you have to just boil some water. You put them here, and for 2 liters you have like you have 2 of this, 2 tiny spoons of this, and then like 2.5 sugar spoons, and that's all.
Is that a pure chocolate?
This one?
Does it act as pure chocolate, as if I'm eating or drinking a pure chocolate?
No, it's just like a tea.
Okay, so if I'll take it as tea, will I not get benefits of eating chocolates?
No, but a tiny portion of that.
Okay.
But that's why I told you it's good for like when girls have breastfeeding, they drink
Okay.
it, so they have more milk. And also
tea?
they got-
The tea,
yeah,
the chocolate tea.
increase the blood circulation.
Okay, what are the other advantages?
And it's good for hangovers.
Hangovers.
She knows that girl knows that. Yeah, those are the good advantages.
Okay. And I bought the coca the coca chocolate because I couldn't buy it in other places, especially in Europe. Couldn't buy it there. I haven't tasted it yet. Maybe I'll try to taste some because they have taster in here. It's good, it's sweet.
Okay guys, so also I invite you to come here to Cusco. This is a place where you also can learn the whole chocolate process. Okay, this is the whole chocolate process. It takes 2 hours to learn it actually.
Okay.
The normal chocolate process lasts from 3 weeks, like 2 weeks normally, but we take like an overview of all the chocolate process so you get the chocolate.
Yeah.
And also you can learn how to mix it, like we grind it, we peel it, we do all the processes, but we give you the idea of the whole chocolate process. And at the end, guys, you can take for this size, this place.
Yeah.
You can take from 16 to 20 of these ones. These are the bombos with your own like toppings. Here we have like near to 30 toppings, so you can like choose the ones that you want, and then you are going to mix them as you want also. So at the end, you take your own creation, your own flavors.
Oh, that's nice.
And I give you these papers. You wrap them up, okay? And your chocolates actually are going to be like this at the end, and they can last 6 months like this.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah.
So I invite you
So
to come.
no preservative.
No preservatives, no anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just natural chocolate.
Natural chocolate, just sugar and cacao. That's
Okay. And how much does it cost for
Ah,
person to learn?
all. The cost is $75, like $20 20 minutes.
For how many hours?
For 2 hours.
For 2 hours. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the whole information. I invite you to come here, and we are waiting for you.